How fast would you die on every Kepler planet? Welcome to Kepler to the B. It's a great, great place. If you want to die, yeah, that's right. Kepler to the B has all the conditions to be habitable. Its gravity is about double Earth's gravity, so nothing a human space traveler couldn't handle. For short periods, as though, why am I dying? If Kepler to the B has an oxygen-rich atmosphere, there could be the danger of too much oxygen, and that can be lethal. It's called hyperoxia, and it's a painful way to die. Yeah. I can confirm that. That feels so great. High oxygen levels plus the extra atmospheric pressure on Kepler to the B would make taking your helmet off, a fatal mistake. Oh, thank you, now he tells me. But there are other Kepler planets out there that are even more dangerous. Great, that's what I live for. This is Kepler 69c. This world is 1.7 times larger than our planet, but it's really more like a super Venus. The greenhouse effect on Kepler 69c has turned its surface into an uninhabitable furnace. Yeah, this exoplanet is rocking crushing pressures and pools of molten sulfur I've seen hot before, with a surface temperature of up to 280 degrees Celsius. That's 536 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is hotter than Mercury. We don't know its exact atmospheric pressure. But we do know that it's more than Venus's. It's going to be a hellscape. Detecting elevated exterior heat levels, internal temperature rising. Yeah, tell me something I don't know already, Rico. I'm prepared. I wish I didn't have my helmet on. I'll just take a quick look-see. That doesn't look that bad. Oh, crushing pressure. Drowning in liquid sulfur would be a gruesome way to go. Your own body moisture would create a superheated steam bath that would cook you like a boil in a bagged vegetable side dish. Yeah, I don't know. I think I read this place like Oh, goo, yeah. That was intense, all right. Chase's score is 4 out of 10 for this planet. Next exoplanet on our list is Kepler 10b. Kepler 10b is 20 times closer to its star than Mercury is to our sun. It will never be able to hold an atmosphere. Now, a planet with no atmosphere has nothing to diffuse light. So the sky here is always pitch black. The dust you see is iron and silica particles blown off by solar winds. The surface is literally being blasted away. Now, if that happened to Earth, humanity would be gone. All you need is the book, The Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding a Civilization, whether you're stranded on a barren exoplanet or just curious. This is the one book you'd want to save. It's a 400-page visual masterpiece from the basics of medicine to engineering through a unique lens. It's a unique concept brought to life by hungry minds, a true collector's item with a laminated hardcover. Click the link in the description and use the code WHATIF for a discount. Grab it now. Back to Kepler 10b. One side is a never-ending day, and the other side is never-ending night. Kepler 10b is an inferno. Average daytime temperature is over 1,300 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt rock. Oh, what? No, that's lava. The surface is a liquid soup of lava. Just landing would be a feat. Internal cabin temperature rising. Cooling system overload. I give this planet like a 2 out of 10. Let's send Chase to die on Kepler 6 to F. Since we first started looking, we've discovered over 5,000 alien planets. We've got solid ground. Some water, some vegetational stuff, Rico. What do we have for an atmosphere here? Kepler 6 to F could have an atmosphere 5 times thicker than Earth. But if there's too much CO2, it's fatal. Oh, crap. Here comes the hypercapnia with a tear in his suit. Chase will soon be breathing almost pure carbon dioxide. Next on the list, Kepler 16b. It's an enormous gas giant. It's about as large as Saturn. It orbits not one but the stars. If there was a surface, you'd see 2 suns and cast the shadows. The atmosphere is so thick that it would counteract gravity and slow you down. But watch out for storms. Last one, Kepler for 5 to be is a super Earth. Why am I having such a hard time walking? Like my legs are lead. Kepler for 5 to be has double Earth's gravity. Even a small fall would be extremely dangerous, and this was not a small fall. We've explored 6 Kepler planets, 2,778 left to go, but that's a story for another. What if?